Hey everyone, how many times have you started your day feeling super motivated, with all these amazing plans, only to find that by lunchtime, you're completely sidetracked and overwhelmed? It happens to the best of us. But what if I told you there's one simple app that could keep your habits, your big goals, and your entire mindset locked in and on track, all in one place? Today, I want to talk about something that has been a real game changer for me, the LetsGoal app, created by the Home Business Academy. This isn't just another to-do list or a fancy calendar. Think of it as a personal development assistant that lives right in your pocket. Designed to help you with your mind, your body, and your most important goals. It's all about turning those good intentions into real, consistent action. So, let's take a look inside. The app guides you through what it calls power actions. These are designed to structure your morning routine and get you started on the right foot. We're talking about things like practicing gratitude, repeating powerful affirmations, getting some movement in, reading something inspiring, and reflecting on your progress. What's great is that you can completely customize each step to fit your life. You can track your streaks to stay motivated, and get this, every account comes with 7 free seats, so you can add your family members and grow together. But it doesn't stop there. The LetsGoal app also has a built-in vision board to keep your dreams front and center, a daily planner to map out your day with intention, and a journal where you can log all your insights, your wins, and your goals. It's designed to help you start every single day grounded in your purpose, not just drowning in productivity tasks. It's about feeling centered and focused before the chaos of the day begins. And here's a really cool part that sets it apart. You can actually earn a residual income just by sharing the app with others. Their affiliate plan is incredibly generous, paying an 80% monthly commission. That works out to be $8 for every single subscriber who signs up through your link and stays active. So, as you're working on yourself, you can also build a new stream of income. If you're ready to finally build better habits that stick, simplify your mornings, and grow both personally and financially, then you've got to check this out. I have dropped a link in the description below so you can download the LetsGoal app today. Go ahead and start your 30-day transformation right now, one micro goal at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.